Today is another big one. In this class, we want to look at graphic design. Graphics design. Want to learn how to create logos, how to create flyers, how to create maybe your complimentary card, how to create posters, and how to create any other graphic design at all for your social media posts. It's a very interesting class, and I promise you will find it so. It's not very difficult, but then it requires some level of creativity. Now listen to this. In graphic design, your creativity, your ability to be creative, your ability to come out with quality concepts is what really matters and counts when it comes to graphic design. So what I will be doing majorly is to show you how to go about it. Just show you the way. Whenever you want to create your own work, your own concept and your creativity is what really matters. Of course, there are many applications currently that one can use in graphic design. So many of them. But in my own work, the one I majorly use is what I will be using for the purpose of this class, this tutorial today. We'll be using basically the Canva application, and then also in the process of this work I will also be showing you another means. Remember in the other class where we looked at how to get stock videos. In this particular class I will also be showing you another means where you can get quality stock images for all your videos. So quickly, let me take you to, let's go to our Canva application. Now remember, if you want to really enjoy Canva, then you will have to connect to Canva Pro. And if you want to connect to the Canva Pro, at the end of this class, you just let me know. I will show you a way how you can connect with you don't have to pay the large sum of money with just a token of 500 naira, and then monthly, either monthly or by monthly renewal, you'll be able to connect to Canva Pro for your work. Okay, so here is my Canva homepage. Of course, before you come to the homepage, if you are new in the app, you would have created an account and then sign into your account before you can come to this homepage. Now, in order for the video not to be too long, because I'll be showing you how to go about creating your flyer, your logo, and then any other graphic design. So, and I don't want the video to be too long. So let's quickly head on to the work of today. Now, to start with, let's assume I want to create a logo. What do I do? Let's assume it is a logo I want to create. Now go ahead and tap inside this search box. Tap inside the search box and then search for logo. Now when you scroll up, you will find so many templates, so many logo templates, hundreds of them. If you keep scrolling and keep scrolling rather, you will keep seeing them, hundreds of them. But you will notice that there are some that are free and others are for the paid version. Anyone you find pro attached to it, if you're on the free version, you will not be able to have access to that one. For you to be able to, whatever editing you do, at the end of the day, you will not be able to download it into your device except if you subscribe for the pro version. But for me, I am using my pro version, my pro account, so I will be able to have access to any of the templates here. So what do? You just scroll through based on the concept you have in mind, based on what you want to really come out with. You pick any of the templates and then edit it to your taste. Edit it to your taste. Let's just scroll through and see. Okay. Okay, let me scroll up again and then just pick one of the templates. Okay, let's assume, let me just go for this one. So when the templates finish loading, go ahead and use with all these buttons here. You use them to edit the templates to your taste. Now, before you edit, of course, you will tap on it. So let's say we want to edit this template. Now let's tap on it. Tap on the template. Okay, we want to change this word, blue waves. Tap on that word. Tap on it. Then tap on edit. Tap on edit. Let me put graceful. Now you can see the new word I am typing is longer than the previous one. So what do? I will use my fingers and increase the box. Okay, let me tap on this one and give it space. Okay, I think what I'll do is, let me go to the bottom and then tap on font size. Tap on font size. Then let me reduce the size. Okay, yes, I've gotten what I want. Let me bring it. So before you edit any of the words, you must tap on it. When it becomes selected, then you tap on, you choose for, if it is to edit the letter, you tap on edit at the bottom of the page. So I've edited the first one. I want to edit this one now. I have graceful treats. Graceful treats. Then edit. Media. Okay, so if you want an element to your design, what do I mean by elements? Maybe an emoji, or maybe yes, an emoji, or maybe a vector kind of image. You tap on the elements button. Okay, so on the element you're looking for, tap inside the search box at the top. Now, Graceful Treats Media is an online brand. Let's say I'm looking for, let's say I want, I'm looking for a camera image of a camera. Just type camera. Camera icon. You see, it will bring out various elements for you, and of course it is not all of them that are free, but for me here I can use any of them since I am using my pro version. So let me just tap on one of them. Let me tap on this one. When you tap on it, it's added immediately to the image you are editing. Of course, you can use your fingers to resize the elements. Now, if you want to remove the background of that element, just tap on BG remover. Background remover. And of course, it is more professional to remove the background. Okay, so our background, the background of the element, the image has just been removed. So tap on the star button, tap here, and it brings you back to your image. So the background is no longer there. So you resize it and then place it where you want. Now if you want to insert text to your design, tap on the text button. Tap on the text button, then tap on add a text box. So when your text box is added, go ahead and insert your text of choice, what you want to write. And of course, you can use all these buttons here to edit your text. You can change the color here. You can change the color with this. You can bold your text with this. You can change it to italics with this. You can underline it with this. And you can change it to either small or capital letters with this button. And you can change the font style. Tap inside this box. So you have different patterns of text to choose from when you tap inside that box. So all these are buttons you can use to edit your text. So at this point, let me quickly show you something very, very important. One way of picking text styles, letter styles for individual alphabets that are actually you can find on Canva. And when you use them, it makes your work look very, very stunning and very professional. You can apply it in your designs, especially when it comes to logo designs and even design of flyers. Now, to show that to you, let me take you to our browser. Let's minimize and go to our browser. Go to your browser and search for Pinterest. Just search for Pinterest. Search for Pinterest, tap on it. Of course, you will need to create an account. You can either log in directly by tapping on login with Google, or you create an account with them and then you log in into your account using your email. Now I already have an account and I had logged in. I didn't log out after my last work. So when you go to the home page, here is the search box. This is a platform that you can use to get professional, stunning and fantastic stock images, vector images. In fact, most of my images, stock images that I use in all my videos, most of them I get them from this site. So Pinterest is a platform that you can use to get professional and stunning looking images for all your work. So we are looking for, let's say we want to get a style for letter G, different styles of letter G. We are creating a logo for Graceful Treats Media. So for letter G, if you look at the logo on my page, that was how I created that logo. Now let's say for letter G, just write letter G. We want to get different designs of letter G. Can you see them? Can you see them? So in this site, in this platform, you can get different designs of all the letters of the alphabet to use for your work, to make your work look very, very professional and stunning. If it is letter T you want, of course, after getting the letter, how do you download it? Okay, I'll show that to you now. Let's say letter T. Can you see different styles of letter T? Different styles of letter T. Now, if it is this first one I want, go ahead and tap on it. Then tap on the three dots. The three dots at the top right corner. Tap on the three dots, then tap on download image. And your image will be downloaded immediately. So that is how to get images that, remember, you can only get images on the Pinterest platform, not videos. So in this platform you can get your stock images, you can get different styles and patterns of your alphabets to use in all your designs. This is very, 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 very very, very nice. So let's return to our Canva application. Okay, so we have returned to our design, the one we are editing. So like I was saying, like I said earlier, it's a very, very simple process. All you need to do is just to go to the search box of the Canva homepage and just search for logo templates or logo designs. It will bring out various templates for you. All you need to do is just to pick any of the templates, edit it to your taste by changing either the words or removing or adding words, removing or adding elements, and then position them properly the way you want it, and your logo will be set. It is a very, very, very simple process. So that is how to create whatever logo you will come out with. Of course, it depends on your initial template and your concept. So that is how to create 3D logo. Now let me show you. Let's say we want to create a flyer. let's go back to the home page. Let me tap on the design button. Oh no, let me tap here. Tap here. Okay, before we go there, let me show you something. Now, after creating your design, how do you download it into your device? Tap on this button here. You will tap on that button, then tap on download. After tapping on download, now look at this. You will notice that the file type, by default, the file type is set to PNG. Usually, of course, this PNG is also a file type that you can use, but in most of the sites, if you're going to use that image online, in most of the sites, it is more preferably to put it in a JPG format. So what do? Tap inside that box, then tap on JPG, and the file type will become selected as JPG. Then go ahead and tap on download. The moment you tap on download, your file will begin to be exported or downloaded immediately. So let's return to the home page now. Then tap on home. Okay, we are back to the home page now. So let's say this time around we want to design a flyer. We want to design a flyer. Now let's tap on the search box. Then let me search for let's see, church flyers, and it will bring out various templates. Look at them here. Okay, let me just go for this one. Let me pick these templates. Let me start with the one at the top. Join us for. Tap on it and then tap on edit. To join us this weekend for. Okay, I want to insert that word for separately, so let me bring in a text box. Tap on text. text, then tap text box. Okay, so I may want to change the style and the color of that word. You highlight it again, highlight it by tapping on it. Maybe let me change color, tap on color, okay, before that let me edit this first one. Join this weekend. I've changed the color. Let me change the style also. Tap on fonts. Okay, you see what I've done there. So I want to reposition that word for. Tap on it again. Alright, now you see I've taken it to close to that other one, join us this weekend, but you can see that word for is lying on those that word, but I want it to go under them, I want it to go behind them. So what do? Highlight it by tapping on it, then look below to the button that says, go to the button where you have position. Tap on position. Then tap on so watch. Can you see that the word has gone behind? Did you see that? Let me tap on it again. I want to italicize it. My fingers seem not to be find it easy to touch it. Okay, let me shift this one. I hope you are seeing and following what I'm doing. Now what I have in mind right is this: join us this weekend for revival fire. Now I already have the word revival there. Let me tap on it. If I want, I can change the style. Let me change the color. Tap on the word and then tap on color. Let me change it to white. Okay, now join us this weekend for revival fire. I will edit that word worship, and then I'll change it to fire. Tap on it and tap on edit. Maybe I should change color also. Now the theme of the program says join us this weekend for revival fire. Now because of that word fire, I may want to add an element, a fire element to this design. So what do? Tap on the element button. Okay, then choose the element you want. Just tap on the element and then it will be added to your design automatically. So let me reposition this element now. I may want to have something like this. I think this is just fine. So okay, so let me edit the other words now. Let me put I guess you're following what I'm doing. Whenever you want to edit any of the words, your own is just to tap on that particular word, then tap on the edit button. Okay. So let me edit this one. Let me just put Friday. Okay, now you can see that this particular one here where we have the dates. You can see that it has a background attached to it. Now if you want to delete the background, just tap on the word, then shift the word away and tap on the background. When you tap on it, then you tap on the delete button and it will be deleted. But if you don't want it deleted, or maybe you rather would want to change the color, just highlight it, then go to the color button at the bottom, tap the color button, and then change the color. Here the font is black. Let's have it on, let's say, a white background. Yes, put it on a white background. Bring back. Okay, so we can have something like this. Then the next one, we can edit this one to give us our venue. At GTM Events Hall. Opposite Federal Secretariat. Okay, so I've done that. Maybe I just let me make that one italic. Tap on format, tap on italic, and then maybe I should bold it. Yes. Okay. So you can see how I have edited the initial template, the initial design, and then I've brought in my own concept, and it has given me a different design entirely. Okay, I think let me bring in another text box. There's something I would like to add. I'll tap on it again and reposition it. Then let me increase the size. Yes. Join us this weekend for Revival Fire with Dr. Matthew A.O. I think this is just fine. Now, the main template background can also be edited if you want it. Just on anywhere in the image. Let me see. Okay, no. Yes, so the main background, now the background are in two segments. The main background has been edited, has been highlighted. Let me tap on what image should I include now. Well, if you have a default image, you can tap on it, tap on replace. It will take you to your device gallery, and then you'll be able to bring in your customized image. But in this case, okay, let me just bring in any image at all. Tap on replace. Okay, so you can see that that segment of the default background has just been changed. So that is how to change the default background if you wish. But in this case, let me return it to the default background. Let me just delete it. Let me delete what I just added. Alright, so I've returned it to the default background image. So with this, you can see how I brought in a default template. I edited the words, and if you want this particular image to be changed to the picture you want to insert in your design, you just go ahead and tap on it. You tap on it, then you tap on replace, and it will take you to your device gallery. Then you'll be able to bring in the image you wish to insert into your design. Before we okay, I think this is just it. With this, I believe you've gotten an idea on how to create any design at all of your choice. Now before I take you back to the home page again, let's get this one downloaded first. Assuming we are done with our design the way we want it, you tap on the download button. Tap on the download button, then tap on download. Then tap on the file type box where you have PNG. Tap on it, then select JPG. The reason we are selecting the JPG format is images in that format they are more universally accepted, especially when it comes to sharing of files. So you choose the JPG option, then tap on download at the bottom. And your image will start loading immediately. Alright, so our image has been downloaded into our device. So you go to your device guard now, your image will be there waiting for you. So that is how to design a simple flyer. Let me return to the home page. Okay, so I've shown you how to go about picking a default template and then designing your logo, either a simple logo or either a 2D simple logo or a 3D logo. And then we've just looked at how to design a simple flyer, whether a business flyer, a church flyer, whatever kind of flyer, and even a poster. So any kind of design, any kind of graphic design you want to do, your own is just to come to the search box. If it is a flyer, just type in flyer. Your templates will come out. Pick the template you want, edit it to your choice by inserting your default your customized images and then entering your words to come out with your choice design. If it is a complimentary card, either a complimentary card or a season greeting card, whichever one. Now if it is for complimentary card, let's say you go to the search box, you go to the search box and search for complimentary card, and you can see this. It to bring out various designs, various templates, default templates that can from to come out with your own choice design. You just tap on the template you want, and it will take you to the edit page, and then you edit it to the way you want it, and you are done with design. So with this, I believe you should be able to come out with stunning and professional looking designs, whether a logo or a poster or a flyer or a card. It is very, very, very simple, short and straightforward. Like I promised you from the beginning, I believe you found it actually very interesting and simple. So this is how to go about your graphic design. With this class, with this little we have done, I believe that, and I expect that in the coming days I should start getting reports of the cash you've started making already by the various designs you are creating for clients. Thank you very much for being part of the class today, and ensure you subscribe to Graceful Treats Media channel, especially the YouTube channel, so that you can keep getting more updates and more guide, especially on how to build and grow your personal pages. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye.